All right, so here's the thing. I entered APE yesterday. All right, so here's what I saw. Now, this is not really what played out before I went to bed, but I saw this on the 15-minute chart, and it was a falling wedge. And when I drew it, we were probably right here. Then you had a bounce, you got rejected, and then you came low and you broke this. So clearly, the falling wedge that I had did not play out. But let me zoom out. This was the measured move from the top of the channel to the lowest wick. The measured move would have taken you up to the next fib line, which was about 1635, maybe a little bit lower. So, yeah, it would have taken you right there. So it would have played out. That's what's happening now. I do think we're gonna go to a $23 on ApeCoin if you look at the daily chart and the 3-day chart. But so clearly that didn't play out. So I'm gonna just delete that. But that's what I saw. That's why I entered the trade. My entry price was 1690. No, not 1490. Jeez, 1490. So I'm technically right now we're probably at break even with the fees and everything on Coinbase. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing. 1490 is my entry, and long term, $23 is my ultimate target. Now, depending on how long it takes, we'll see if we take profits sooner. But the next target for me is $15.46. If you get above that, we eventually would have the next fib up here at 1636. So that's kind of what I see for ApeCoin right now. I am in the trade. 15-minute chart is ready to rock to the upside. The 1-hour chart is ready to reverse. The 4-hour chart is up there, so be careful. It's a higher risk trade because of that. And the daily chart is there's no data for that. So let me see if there's data for the 12. Nope, there's not. Well, actually, there's data for the 12-hour. 12-hour is high as well. So be careful. But the 1-hour, 15-minute look ready to go. The 4-hour and higher look a little bit. I mean, 4-hour and higher look high, but I'm still bullish on Ape regardless of that. And I still think the $23 within a few weeks is going to happen. So, well, you will see what happens, but that's kind of the trade I'm in right now. Now, depending on how, I don't know. If it takes a while to get up there, I might take profits earlier. But if it goes up there in a week, I will probably hold off to $23. And I know if Bitcoin keeps going up, I see this going to $23 within a week or two. Because the next target for Bitcoin is 48.5, which probably will happen later today if everything keeps staying bullish. But with that being said, that's all I got. I just want to tell you those are the levels I'm watching. And to the downside, you do have a fib, which will also help keep support, which is a 236 fib, currently at $14.76. So I don't see us going below 14.76. And if you do, then maybe this trade would be invalidated. That 14.70 could be a good stop loss. But with that being said, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate if you like and subscribe. By the way, I will be live tonight at 4:30 p.m. Central Time. So hopefully I will see some of you guys there. And I will see you guys in the next update.